Today I'm going to show you how to create a recording using Google Vids. You can access Google Vids either from your waffle menu at any of your Google pages, you'll see it like right here, or you can simply come up here and type in vids.new and press return. Okay? When you first get here, you are going to click record. Once you have clicked record, you are going to choose what type of recording you want to do. You can do a camera recording. You can do a camera and screen recording, which would show you both your camera and your screen at the same time. You just choose entire screen and choose screen one. Okay. You can do a screen recording by itself. You just click on screen and entire screen and then choose the screen that's on there and click share. Or you can do simply an audio recording. And when you're ready, you just press the record button. When you are done recording, let's say we're doing a screen recording. I'm going to choose entire screen, and click share. Okay. When I'm ready, I'm going to click the record button. All right. Now it's recording my entire screen. Now you can close this if it comes up. It's the microphone. When you're done, you press the record button again to stop. You can either click preview to listen to it or hear it, or you can click this to restart, or you can click insert. Once you click insert, it will put it in to your Google Vids. When you are finished with your video, sharing it and submitting it in Canvas are easy. You're going to come up to the share button, not the down arrow, but the actual share button. And right over here under general access, you're going to change it from restricted to Midlothian ISD. It has to say Midlothian ISD or Mr. Sanchez can't see it. Then you're going to click on copy link. Now you're ready simply to go back to the Canvas assignment, click on start assignment, and at the bottom, do Control V. Okay. Do not click either of these guys that comes up. That's your history. That will submit something else. Control V, submit assignment. And that's it.